So this is our sixth giveaway car. It's a Mustang GT350. And what we're doing today is I'm gonna give you all a walk around of this GT350. It's been commented on in the past. With it only being our sixth giveaway, we are kind of up and coming, we're new, but on every single post, ad, any sort of stuff we put out on our giveaway cars, I always get the comment, do a walk around video of the car. So that is exactly what we're gonna be doing today and for all future giveaway cars from here on out. And let's take you through what we have coming up. This is a Mustang GT350. This is our sixth giveaway again, so we're fairly new at this. Our last one that we did, giveaway number 5, was a Mark IV Supra. Insane car. It was tuned. It made around 700, I think it was 706 wheel horsepower. Ton of supporting mods, ton of great power mods. It was a real enthusiasty car. I mean, you had to really be into the tuning world. I mean, it was still very reliable, but it wasn't a stock car. This is the opposite. This is an OEM car, and the reason we went with something like this for this giveaway is, while the Supra was amazing, it was super cool, made a ton of like turbo noises and everything. There are plenty of enthusiasts out there that just want something OEM. You can take this to the Ford dealership and have it serviced, and you won't have any problems, any hiccups. They'll know exactly what to do because there's nothing changed about the car. So for those who don't know already, I'm gonna take you through some of the amazing features that are on this GT350. Let's go. So I guess to start, the GT350 is kind of like a second iteration, if you will. They made one back in the 60s, and this is kind of a homage to that, but it is one heck of a Mustang. I've driven a 5.0 before, and this is a whole different animal. This has the track pack on it, the optional track pack, so you get that Magna Ride suspension, and you also get those Recaro seats in there. It really feels like a track car. I understand why kids, adults, I understand why people crash these things, because it's not meant to be drifted and it's not meant to be kind of pushed around like a regular sports car, if you will. This is meant for the track. I mean, it's got 305s at the rear and it's got 295s at the front, and we've got new Michelin Super Sports that we just put on it, so whoever gets it has a new set of tires to go with it. And it is an absolute beast. What is featured in this is the 5.2 liter Voodoo flat plane crank V8 from Ford. Absolutely incredible engine. This one has 30,000 miles on it, and it actually only had 2 previous owners. We did a pretty good job of sourcing. This is a really clean car. 2 previous owners. First one, the guy babied it, had it serviced every 3,000 miles. But drove it for about 20,000 miles. I think it was right at 19,000 miles he drove it. The next owner put about another 8,000 miles on it, but both of them kept meticulous records and even gave me a pre-checklist on what they do, starting procedure, how to store it, and how they really maintain this car. So really clean car, and it has just a touch. By the time you're seeing this and by the time it's given away, it's probably gonna have just a touch over 30,000 miles on it. So really great example of the GT350. Inside it has a 6-speed manual. That is from Tremec, and it is probably one of the best 6-speed manuals that I've ever driven. It was better than the Supra, it was better than the Z06. It's an absolutely incredible 6-speed gearbox. 19-inch aluminum wheels all around, and again, 305s at the rear, 295s at the front. And with that track pack, you've got the additional, the duck fin, ducktail, whatever they want to call it, for a little bit of extra downforce. And the exhaust, something that I didn't know whenever we got this car, is that you have different modes in this car, very easy to change. And in sport mode, these valves open up and they stay open, and you can hear that incredible sounding V8 from this Mustang. The car is racing red. That's just what they called it from factory. I think it looks fantastic. And the full front is PPF'd. So that's good, I believe, for another, I want to say it's good for another 3 years. It was put on like not too long ago, like a year or 2 ago. No signs of yellowing. in great condition, and yeah, it's a pretty spotless car. So it's a nice change up from what we've done in the past, you know, cars with modifications. This is just a pure OEM car. We are having an absolute blast in it for the time being. It's truly an amazing car. Never thought Mustangs would be like the move, to be honest, but this is a different one. Absolute blast, drives incredible, sounds incredible, and it's a total hoot. You can definitely daily it. So with that being said, that's kind of a walk around of our GT350. This goes live today. By the time you're seeing this, this is already live. This is going to go, I believe, until Memorial Day, and what is it? I think it's May 26th, something like that. It's going to go until then. All you got to do to get entered is pick up anything off our store with the link down below. This is one of our new shirts that you can pick up. It's got the Mustang on the back. You can pick up a hat, anything really, and that gets you entered to take home this beauty. So that's it. Any recommendations on what you'd like to see further on the car, please let us know. We're happy to show you. But until then, grab some gear, get entered, good luck.